our People Pro business is beyond just business. When we began the concept of franchising, the first thing that came to my mind was people have stopped trusting franchises because there were a lot of players that came into the market and just for the heck of growth or to take advantage of it. And I was very clear that I didn't want to fall into that trap. I get two main queries from people who are interested in this business. Number one is, what is the qualifications for somebody to actually take this business? And my answer to them is simple: passion.
When I took up the franchisee of People Pro, I took it up not as just a business, but out of passion.
This is the only business wherein you get the satisfaction of transforming people.
So it's a business with a good economic value and a social cause.
You work for the betterment of the community around you, for the future generations. You don't know who the next Prime Minister is going to be. Maybe your student, maybe maybe the guy who had been transformed by your CART program or anyone. So you provide opportunities for everyone and everyone.
When you take care of the People Pro business, it's about transforming your city, it's about transforming your nation and your community. Not just that, you have a huge business potential that kind of happens because every person becomes your target audience.
The relationship with a company has been really good because Matthew, the director, has been very passionate about the company. So it is so nice to see that he's passing on that passion to me, he's passing on that vision to me, he wants to see me grow. I felt there was somebody always guiding me.
I wanted to be someone who would make the franchisees proud of the fact that we are taking them and hand-holding them step by step in every way. They come with no knowledge of the product, they come with no knowledge of the market. Some of them are first-time entrepreneurs. So when they come in, they come with a lot of fear. They do not know whether I am investing in the right company, am I investing in the right person.
When I started, basically I was new and fresh, so I did not know what to do. I worked for 13 years in the industry and I wanted to do something for the society, but didn't know where to start. This is when People Pro team came in the picture and they guided me a lot.
I felt this was something which is needed. If we need to see a change in India, we need to start from something really small. And this one community, if we could find a transformation in one community, it could impact a lot.
We value our partners and so very happy with the kind of people that we have currently. People who are passionate, people who love this program, people who have come in simply for two purposes: one for transformation and two for business opportunity.
Over this couple of years that I've been working with People Pro, it has been amazing. I mean, not just the monetary part, but mostly because of the results that I see among students, the changes, the transformation that we see every day, and the trainers coming back to us and sharing their testimonies and people being changed.
One thing that I'm really looking forward to, and it's been a very good platform, it's like a huge community kind of based transformation. It's a very slow and steady a kind of a good report. When we hear people coming and saying thank you so much, we didn't know about this, and there's no one to tell them how wonderful and unique and what's their potential.
Our relationship with the partners more like a parent-child relationship. This is how we look at our partners. So when they come in, we empower and equip them with this vision of wide transformation and how we can be a catalyst in today's society and today's community. And then we teach them. We teach them how to do this business. We teach them various programs, products. We tell them how to do it. Even if there is a person who has zero knowledge about business, we actually train them from the beginning until they reach a point where they will run by themselves.
People Pro is there with us all the time. They're supporting us all the time. I'm not alone in the market. They are there to guide us in each step, like how to do, what to do, and also personally it has helped me a lot.
People Pro, in terms of the entire support they have been providing us, been great, whether it is implementation, R&D, sales, marketing.
There has been a lot of hand-holding by the marketing team, the accounts team, the sales force, the implementation team. which is key for our success for where we are today.
The second question that I get is, will this product be relevant in the rural sector, in small cities and small towns? I say this product is required wherever people are there.
Nagaland is a place which is very far off, and we face a lot of technological challenges. There's a lot of difference in the expressiveness and the exposure that people out here have, and when I compare to the students out there in a place where I come from, there's a lot of difference. And if it's doing well here, I thought to myself, it is much more needed in the place where I come from.
Guwahati is a small city, and I believe that we have a lot of scope there. People are very, they want to learn. They are so curious to know what is it.
And so I had my employees always talking about their place needs this and it needs to expand to different places, because they felt this was a much needed program in different places. So I had a marketing executive who was talking to me about Guwahati, and so we planned about Guwahati, we spoke about Guwahati, and we thought we have to expand. We can take this all the way to Guwahati, and I felt really good to take this whole program to Guwahati and see changes there.
I started my career as a trainer in People Pro, and gradually my passion towards training and transformation urged me to take up a center in Cochin. And I take pride in telling this, that starting as a trainer and then moving to the level of an implementer, right now I head the center in Cochin. So it has been like a wonderful marital relationship with People Pro, and I really love this. I really enjoy this journey.
The way the people are lapping up to this concept, I'm personally very happy with the progress of this expansion. We have a goal, and our goal is to reach 300 cities in India and 10 nations, and I believe in the next 3 years we should be able to achieve that.
We hope to be the catalyst of change.
I'm able to make difference to people's lives, and that satisfaction is more than enough.
I see myself as an agent of change, and I love this.
I feel there's actually a value in my life when I'm able to give back to the society, because whatever I do now, I know it will reap in much in the years to come.
We are talking about life, and wherever there is life, People Pro is needed there.